Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate your HOVERAir X1 Air. To do it, go to Hover Settings, then go to IMU Calibration. I'm gonna take my drone and now place it how it shows on the picture. So now like that with the buttons going up. Now wait a moment, after it approves, flip it over. Now place it like that, so the buttons are here. Now flip it over, so the buttons are here now. Now place it opened, just like that. And now flip it over. And it should be calibrated. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.